how to change theme to system default on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change theme to system default on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here we'll find these 3 points in the top corner and then click settings, and here we'll find accounts and then click this one here, but this one, and not account, click chats, and here we'll find team, click on it and click system default and okay, and that's it. Now just go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.